Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Driving a large truck presents unique challenges, doesn't it? Unlike a regular car GPS, a dedicated truck navigation system is absolutely essential. It considers your vehicle's specific height, weight, and length, helping you avoid restricted roads and potential hazards like low bridges. This specialized guidance ensures a much safer and more efficient journey for every professional driver out there. Getting started correctly is key, and it all begins with your truck's profile. You'll need to input your vehicle's exact height, weight, length, and width directly into the Garmin unit. This crucial step is what allows the GPS to calculate truck-specific routes, avoiding any dangerous or prohibited roads. Taking a moment to set this up properly ensures every trip starts on the right foot, keeping you compliant and safe. Once your profile is set, planning your route is straightforward. Simply enter your destination, and if you have specific stops along the way, add them as waypoints. Before you hit the road, always take a quick look at the suggested route on the map, especially checking for truck-specific overlays. Then, just follow the clear, turn-by-turn spoken directions, knowing your Garmin is guiding you safely. Beyond basic navigation, your Garmin Truck GPS offers invaluable features for professional drivers. You can easily find truck stops, rest areas, and even way stations directly from the unit, which is incredibly handy. It also provides crucial alerts for upcoming sharp curves, steep grades, and even speed limit changes, helping you stay aware of your surroundings. Plus, real-time traffic updates can help you avoid delays, saving you precious time on the road. To ensure your Garmin Truck GPS remains your most reliable co-pilot, regular updates are absolutely essential. Connect your device to a computer and use the free Garmin Express software to download the latest maps and system software. This simple process ensures your GPS has the most current road data, including new roads, restrictions, and points of interest. Staying updated means safer, more efficient routes every single time you drive.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.